everybody, welcome back. As you can see here, I've got the Cole-Tac SERE Sack here in multicam black. On the bottom, on the exterior, it's got 3 loops right here that you can slip a tourniquet into or put other gear on or attach. And then on the front here, you got some Velcro to work with. You've got this little front pouch, kind of an admin miscellaneous pouch. It's got a nice metal clip for keys or whatever you'd like to clip onto that to retain. And moving to the back, on the back side it's just empty. On the interior it's got Velcro, and this small strap here is just a waist strap, makes it kind of not your father's fanny pouch, if you will. And if you look in here, I've got this one set up for medical. You can also, I'll cut over here to the StatPak's vial strand. Fits nicely on the soft Velcro inside here. And then you can retain your medicines or whatever in there. I've also got, on this one, I've actually got the Cole-Tac large loops of elastic. They just Velcro on and off, as you can see here. They will fit a mag, a full-size 30-round AR mag. However, the mags are actually too tall for the pouch. So you can fit a couple 20-rounders in here, or if you use a smaller one, which is the one I have in the front of the pouch, you can use a small on the back side and put some pistol mags in there. As I have it set up right here, got some chest seals, hypothermia mylar blanket, which may or may not be terribly effective, but we won't get into that. Got some regular gauze, some combat gauze, needle decompression needle, nasal airway, and a cat tourniquet. It's a nice, easy little pouch to work with. You can see it's got the nice pulls on here. And it's a pretty small, compact pouch. It's really intended to be kind of a multi-purpose pouch. I have this one set up for medical. You can set it up for whatever's most convenient for you, depending on what you're doing. It's really nice to just have a small pouch, though, that you can put some basic essentials in. Keep that on your person at all times if you're out in the wilderness or if you're doing whatever you're doing. It's a nice small pouch that won't get in your way and keep you unencumbered, but make sure you have some basic necessities on board. I'm also going to look at the StatPak's fanny pack and then the fanny pack that I use with the tactical team here shortly. And I'll kind of do a bit of compare and contrasting with all 3 of those. The other 2 are quite a bit larger than this one. This one's really meant for individuals and just for a small amount of gear or equipment. Again, really nice construction. It's nice and durable feeling. I'll put it through its paces a little bit, not quite as extensively as I did with some of the StatPak's bags, because I actually quite like this bag. I will be using it myself. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, but I really do think this medical loadout is probably a pretty ideal setup. You do have some extra room in the back and then in this front pouch here for other essentials. But if you're going out into the wilderness, this might not be a bad way to keep some of your most important items nearby.